Hello everybody, welcome to Take It Easy. The Smile Jamaica from House of Marley is not just another in-ear pair of earphones. It is unique in its own way. But is that enough to convince someone to go and buy one? Let's find out. If you end up liking this video, don't forget to boost my motivation by hitting that like button. It means a lot. If you are not subscribed, come on, what are you doing? Get subscribed, it's free. Hit the bell icon and stay notified. So this is the box packaging of the Smile Jamaica in-ear type earphones. We can already see the earphones inside the package. This package looks and feels nice. It is probably made of recycled paper. These are some specifications at the back side of the package. If you are interested, you can just pause the video and check it out. The MRP mentioned is 1990 rupees and it is the signature black variant. You just need to pull this paper tab. It will separate the bottom half and the contents inside can now be unboxed. My unboxing knife is not required at all. Very nice unboxing experience, I must say. So the main earphones and a piece of documentation, which I never like to read, and apart from these two, there is nothing more inside the package. So now let's take a look at the main earphones. The main body of the earphones is made of wood and it is FSC certified wood. The front housing, which is on front of the wooden shell, is made of metal, actually aluminum to be more specific. The ear tips are soft, but the default ear tip size is a bit large. Normally medium-sized tips are fitted by default, and a pair of larger and smaller ear tips come included inside the package. But House of Marley decided to only include the smaller ear tips along with the pre-applied larger ones. Though it is not a huge issue, but I removed the larger ones and installed medium-sized tips that I had lying around. We have braided cable made of durable fabric rather than rubberized materials. So the cable is indeed tangle-free. The overall cable length is 1.3 meters, which is good. The Smile Jamaica has a microphone module with a button to receive and end calls. The button can also function as a play or pause button while playing music or videos like most of the other earphones. The 3.5mm audio jack is not gold plated, but it looks cool with those three different colors on the connector, which matches the Indian flag tricolor scheme. The jack is 90-degree angled, which is again a good thing. It feels premium and looks elegant. It has a vintage feeling in it. It looks modern and classy at the same time, with its well-chosen materials like wood, aluminium and fabric. It has a few color options available as well. Like most of their product lineup, influence of Bob Marley and the Caribbean color schemes are all over. The sound quality is very good, a little less than excellent maybe. Everything is clear, vocals are excellent, high ends are good, but the low ends or the bass feel a little lacking sometimes. So apart from the average quality of bass, the overall sound quality is very good. This review is coming after 2 weeks of using the product, and I have made many short and long duration calls with it, and it performed excellently. The position of the mic is very close to the mouth and the other party could hear me properly without any problems. So if you are looking for a pair of earphones that looks different, stylish and elegant with good overall sound quality and not super bass heavy, go for this one. There will be links in the video description and the pinned comment from where you can buy the Smile Jamaica earphones. If you have watched the video this far, chances are you probably liked it. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you are not subscribed already, hit the red subscribe button to stay connected, it's free, and then hit the bell icon to keep yourself notified and be the first to watch such awesome upcoming videos like this one. If you have any queries or suggestions, just post a comment down there. If you think the video was awesome and others may like such content, please go ahead and share the video with your friends and family. That's it for this video. Have a great time and I will see you in the next video.